Hello! So in this video I am showing you how I redecorated and reorganized my space. I redecorated my cork board that's on my desk, and I got this new clock, which I didn't really film any footage for, but I made a TikTok of, so I will insert the footage later on. And I also got this little organizational cart thing just to organize my shop stuff and stationery, and also some like random things that I have. Also, as a side note, all of these prints that I have on my corkboard are from my friends who have small businesses, and I will have them all linked in the description. So if you like any of these and want to check them out, check out the description box. If you see anything in this video that you like, for example like my laptop stand or the clock or any of the stationery, most of these things you can find in my Amazon storefront, which I also just recently set up, and I will have that linked in the description as well. I'm going to be redoing my little wall space because I have a bunch of prints from my friends' sticker shops that I want to hang up. So yes, I need to take all of this down first. Bunch of prints that I'm gonna stick on with washi tape. I use a combination of art prints, stickers, and Polaroids, and like some business cards. I just need to put everything back on my desk. Okay, so this is the present day. As you can see, it's a bit different from what you last saw in the video. I have some more stationery. I'm actually really surprised by how much stuff fit in here. Yeah, highly recommend. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!